Hey y'all, so it's this one Forex method that can make you a lot of money, right? I've been doing it for years, literally. And so I want to share it with y'all. First, I wasn't going to give it to y'all, but I'm like, y'all family, you know what I'm saying? So I got to give it to you. But before I do, man, you got to check out the little view, you know what I'm saying? Hey, out here in the lagoon, you feel me? Hey, live life, you know what I'm saying? When you get to day trading, you can just live wherever. You can do whatever. Enjoy yourself. You feel me? But we're going to get to it. Let's get it. Yo, so the method is trading news. If you learn how to trade news, you will make a lot of money. I assure you. Now listen, there's a couple different ways you want to do this. But the first thing you need to do is you need to download the app. So go to the app store. My FX Book is the app. Or I think Forex Factory has it as well. All right. After that, you want to go to the settings. You want to go take off low impact news and all that. You only want high impact news. So check the high. All the pairs to be checked, you good. From there, you'll start getting notifications to your phone whenever high news is going off, right? So whenever news is going off, it's going to tell you, you know, Euro USD is going off. I mean, not Euro USD, it'll just say USD, or to say CAD, or to say Euro. And all you do is just find any of those pairs on the Forex side or the binary side, whichever one you trade. You find it. All right, and then you look for it to be spiking. If it's spiking, whatever direction it spikes in, now listen, here's the method. Whatever direction it spikes in, you want to enter the opposite way at the very bottom of it. So for instance, if it's shooting down, you want to load up buys at the bottom of it. The market usually retraces every time and goes back the other way. All right, so you load that up, let it retrace. You can be in and out, or you can hold for the long haul. Me, I'm a scalper, I'm in and out. But I want to show y'all exactly what that looks like right here. So I'm in a news trade right now. News just went off. It's a Friday. Usually don't trade Fridays, but I will trade news. Just wanted to give y'all some value right quick. I'm gonna go ahead and close out all my positions right quick. I opened a lot of positions on this particular trade. Boom, I'm even closing that one out. Now my balance is lit. Just be compounding the heck out this account. Easy. But listen, I'll give you a hint. Whenever you see this little icon right here, you go to My FX Book, get the app. All right. Whenever news hit, wait till after it hit, and then hop in on the opposite way. All right. The market usually always retrace back. You see this long candle right here, retracement. So whenever news shoot down this way, you just buy at the bottom, let it retrace real big, and then hop out. Sometimes it'll retrace all the way back up here, but I ain't had time for that. So I usually just go in on my lot sizes, and I'm doing, first I started at like 0.15. I did a bunch of those, and as it kept going down, I started hitting the 0.40s, start smacking them, and they retrace hard. And then I just made like $300. Yo, so with this method, lot size is key. All right, you don't want to go too big on your lot size because you may need more room to place more trades. All right, so as you can see, I started off low, 0.15, you know, keeping it conservative. As the market continued to go down, I got a little bigger, a little bigger, a little bigger. All right, now I will not say this will work 100% of the time, but I'll tell you at least 85, 90% of the time, retracements always happen on these particular pairs. And this is what I've just noticed for years, you feel me, of just doing this non-stop, you know what I'm saying? So the reason why it's dope on the Forex side is because you can just hold it, you know what I'm saying? You can hold it. Like I said, I noticed once we get spikes. Now, this is one thing I did not explain. There's a couple of different newses you need to look out for. If you ever see CPI news, Consumer Price Index, very high volatile news. That one spikes both ends. So it may shoot down quick, boom, and spike up within the next 2 or 3 seconds or half a second. It's like that fast. So CPI news, look out for that one. That's very wild news. If you see multiple USDs, like if you see USD, always look to the left of it to see the times. It'll usually say 3 o'clock a.m. London session is when the news will go off, or it'll say 7:30. Sometimes in the morning, if you get up early and you like to trade 3 in the morning, you could trade those. Usually you get a lot of news at that time. And then if you can't trade that, then 7:30 a.m. Central my time, so whatever time that is for y'all. But 7:30 you'll get more news. But if you ever see CPI or non-farm payroll, which is NFP, NFP happens the first Friday of every month. Okay, so if you ever see non-farm payroll, then that news is about to be wild. You know what I'm saying? That's when you're getting them huge spikes. I mean, the candle was spiked about 600 pips in one move, like quick. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be mindful of that. But those are the fun ones sometimes, you know what I'm saying? So just be very careful with it. Like I said, it is risky trading news. I know a lot of brokers wouldn't allow you to do it. Some because people just making too much money on it. You know what I'm saying? And they just was losing money, so they like, yeah. But some brokers, you know, sway markets, of course, they allow you to trade news, so you could trade it and get it popping. You feel me? So be on the lookout for that stuff. Practice it in a demo if you're a little nervous with it, because it is a little volatile, it's risky. Some people love to just trade news because it moves fast and they get the movements they need. Some people don't like it because it's too fast. You know what I'm saying? So play around with it in a demo. And just see how you like it, and holler at your boy in the comments. Tell me how it's working for you, because it goes off every single week for the most part. So it's your boy J Cash, man. Hopefully this video was valuable enough for you. Go make some money. Holler at your boy. Let's get it.